You hear the word coronavirus more times than you breathe peacefully in a day. From garlic to gomutra, a new cure gets thrown at you every day. Where to go? What to believe? Doctors have always told you to never take things in your own hands. But this time, you can. Here's how. Namaste. Instead of a handshake, sanitizer after touching any of these, soap and water, and a thorough hand wash for 20 seconds. To the tune of the happy birthday song, here's what not to take in your hands. Lift buttons, doors, your eyes, nose, or the entire face. Someone else's eyes, nose, or the entire face. Remember, not every hack is a cure. Not wearing a mask is okay if you sanitize regularly. The survival rate is high. Your health is in your own hands. Stay safe. All the best. Issued in the interest of safety for the people of India.